Hey everybody, and welcome back to Underdog Factory. My name is Tristan. Very excited to be here with you guys again. I'm starting to feel a little bit better, starting to get a little bit more active on my YouTubes, and I want to show you guys one of the really interesting ways that I'm using ChatGPT and AI to come up with video ideas. So, I would like to present to you my severely and horribly under cared for YouTube channel where I upload stupid stuff. Like, this is not a good example of what a YouTube channel should look like. And I upload I won't upload for 6 months, and then I'll upload like 5 or 6 videos all at once. And like, that's bad. I shouldn't be doing this. But it makes for a good example of showing stuff that you shouldn't be doing. So what I want to do though is I want to show you guys how you can use ChatGPT and your YouTube analytics to find ideas that are going to be the most likely to generate more subscribers for your channel. And it will actually give you an estimate of how many subscribers it thinks you can actually get from that video. I also have another prompt that I'm going to show you guys that you can use that will help you determine like which videos have the most chance of getting like over 10,000 views, over 100,000 views, and so on. So that being said, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. First thing you're going to want to do is go to your YouTube analytics page. It looks like I am missing some sections over here, so let me make some minor adjustments to my screen real quick. I can see the whole thing when we're working. So go to YouTube Creator Studio, go down to Analytics, and then we're going to want to click right here where it says Advanced Mode. And then what we want to do is we want to change this to at least the last 90 days. This is going to give you the most accurate and up-to-date information. You may want to go further back to like 365 days or for an entire year, but that's up to you. I like 90 days. And then what we're going to do is we're going to click right up here where it says Export Current View. And I'm going to do this as a... Actually, you know what? Let's make this simple. We're just going to export it as a Google Sheet. And there we go. And then what we're going to do... So this has 91 videos in it, but we're not going to go after the whole thing. We're just going to grab maybe the top 30 videos. Yeah, let's go with the top 30 videos. Okay, and we're just going to grab all that. We're going to copy that. Then we're going to go into ChatGPT, and we're going to do the following. Hi, ChatGPT. I have a challenge for you today. I need you to review some data and then help me make some decisions based on it. Are you ready? You don't have to be like this formal with it and everything else. Like, I just want to make sure that the AIs don't try and kill me afterwards. So here is the data. Boop. Actually, you know what? Before we give it all the data, we should explain what it is.
This is an export of my YouTube channel analytics from the past 90 days.
All right. So the first thing it's going to do is it's going to kind of summarize all the information for us. So it said over the last 90 days, there are almost 15,000 views. There are 225 watch hours, -4 subscribers. So this may be an error. No, that's correct, I'm afraid. Total impressions, total click-through rate. Specific videos, here are some insights. This is my most popular video. Had the most views and the most watch time. May want to consider focusing content similar to how to repair torn silicone. Best glue, blah, 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 blah. Beginner's guide for Pixelmon and other tutorial style videos. It's also important to note that your impressions and click-through rate is relatively high, which means that your videos and thumbnails are likely effective in driving clicks. Consider continuing to optimize these elements to drive more traffic. May want to analyze further, looking at the audience retention, demographics, blah, 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 blah. And that's definitely true. But let's do this. Just so you guys don't have to sit in here and listen to me typing the whole time. So the prompt is, I would like some ideas for YouTube videos that I can create that are similar to my top performing videos in this dataset, specifically related to Pixelmon. Can you provide me with 5 video ideas that are likely to bring in over 10,000 views over the next 90 days? Please. And I'm going to include all these prompts and everything that I'm writing here in the description of this video. I think that will be helpful, and that way you don't have to like come up with the stuff and you can optimize it and make adjustments as needed. So it's giving me 5 video ideas that are based off of my most popular videos and what and how many views it thinks I can get within 90 days. So Pixelmon Reforged, how to catch rare Pokemon. This video could showcase tips and tricks for catching rare Pokemon in Pixelmon Reforged. Given that your existing Pixelmon tutorials have performed well, it's likely this topic will resonate with your audience. Estimated views between 12 and 15,000 views, or between 12 and 15,000. Pixelmon Crafting, how to make Pokeballs and potions. 10 to 12,000 views. How to build the ultimate Pokemon team. 12 to 15,000 views. Battle strategy, how to win every battle. 10 to 12,000 views. Pixelmon Reforged, how to find legendary Pokemon. 12 to 15,000.
What video topic could bring in over 100,000 views?
Okay, so I asked it for a video idea that could bring in over 100,000 views. It says, based on the current data, it's difficult to determine a topic that will guarantee 100,000 views. However, here's an idea that could potentially help you reach this goal.
Pixelmon Reforged, top 10 rare and powerful Pokemon. A video showcasing the top 10 rarest and most powerful Pokemon in Pixelmon Reforged. This type of content has the potential to attract a wide range of viewers, including hardcore gamers, casual Pokemon fans. You provide detailed information about each Pokemon's stats, abilities, moves, and rarity, along with tips on how to catch them. And then it says you can promote this on different platforms, social media stuff, and all that can help drive in additional traffic.
But this is the one that has a potential of bringing in over 100,000 views. And that's really cool because it's not just guessing, right? It's not just saying, hey, here's, some popular video trends that you might be interested in doing. It's taking my actual data from my actual YouTube channel and saying, based off of how your videos have performed and based off of the kind of stuff that resonates well with your audience, these are the videos that we think, or that I think, can help you reach these goals. Okay, let's try this. Okay, say I want to get another 100 subscribers. Which of the 5 videos would best do that? Okay, so now what it did is it went through and it looked at the average number of subscribers I'm getting per view based off of these other videos that I've created. And say, all right, so it looks like if you were to go through and make these videos, you're probably going to get about this many new subscribers, somewhere within this range. So 10 to 20, 8 to 15, 10 to 20, 5 to 10. 5 to 10, and then 20 to 30. So if I really wanted to start maximizing my channel growth, obviously I'm going to want to do the one that gets me the highest rate of getting new subscribers. Now, of course, this is also going to depend on how well the video is made, video quality, how well you're actually able to communicate that information, all that kind of fun stuff. But it also says that this is the video that has a potential of getting 100,000 views. So let's ask it real quick.
For the video, if it were to get 100,000 views, how many estimated new subscribers would join the channel? Let's find out. And of course, it can depend on a lot of factors and everything else, but...
So between 50 and 100 new subscribers. Now that being said, my viewer to subscriber rate's really low, and so I'm not super surprised by that. But it's an interesting way of using AI and using these tools in order to kind of get a deeper view of what's going on with your channel and get some more ideas. And it also lets you kind of focus on the specific goals that you have. If you have the goal of reaching another 100 subscribers on your channel, then this thing can actually help you do that. And again, it's not just guessing, it's not just making stuff up, it's actually using my existing data and saying, look, based off of what you've already done so far, this is what's most probable, or this is what's most likely. And so it's running a whole bunch of math in the background. One of the other interesting things to note with this, just in case you guys didn't know, is that some of the material that ChatGPT was trained on actually consists of the white papers that Google and YouTube released that explain how the YouTube algorithm works, how the entire systems work. And those are documents that I use every day in my work, doing my consulting and doing my training. And so, I can actually see how it's implementing those very specific technical details into something like this. So if anybody wants to get into those kind of crazy details in one of these videos and wants to do a really deep dive into this kind of stuff, I'm 100% for it. But I think that would bore the majority of people. So I'll go ahead and leave this here with you as is. Just some interesting ideas. And again, what you want to do is go to your channel analytics, tell it to export, grab some data, and put it in here and give it a chance to review it. And then start asking questions. Have a clear idea of what your goals are and what you want to do with it. And then the AI can help you do that. So hopefully this video has been helpful and interesting. If you'd like to get more of the crazy ChatGPT and AI stuff and using it to grow your YouTube channel, and specifically what my goal here is to help you guys monetize your channel so that we can make more money, so you can do this stuff full time if you want to, have a supplementary income if you don't, that's what I'm here for. That's what I'm hoping to help you guys do. If you'd like to see more of this kind of stuff, go join my Discord. I'll leave a link to that in the pinned comment below. And I hope to see you guys there.